What's more important, the Fed or the ECB?
Well, I think the ECB, just because the ECB, I think, is going to be more likely to change course here in terms of signaling that it's going to end its QE program by the end of the year. That's something which wasn't expected a couple of weeks ago, and last week we got some surprising rhetoric which signaled it. The Fed is on track for tightening. There's going to be some drama about whether they signal a fourth rate hike, 2 for the second half of this year. Close call, we think it's likely, but we think regardless of what they tell us today, they're going to be moving twice in the second half of the year.
Does that scuttle our rally? Does it slow the economy down, or we just keep rolling on? Everything is kind of firing on all cylinders, Bruce.
Well, I think that's the point. I think the Fed is responding to a good economic environment. It's not moving in a way that is likely to really slow it in any meaningful way. So I don't see any problem in terms of what the Fed is doing here. It's still moving very gradually towards a neutral rate.
Okay, and what does that mean then for the economy? Can we get 4% growth still, you think, the second half of this year?
I think 4 is a stretch, but I think something with a 3 in front of it looks reasonable right now, given the momentum, given the stimulus that's still in place. We need to be a little bit helped by a global economy that doesn't disappoint, and we think that's the likely outcome. But I think the prospects for the second half of the year look pretty good.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.